Hello everybody, Smosey back again. I'm back with a hobby football break. I got one box of 2013 Panini Elite. Now each box comes with 20 packs of 5 cards, so looking right at 100 cards, and you get 4 hits each. Picked this up at Dacardworld. They had a hot deals on this for $29.99. Pretty good price for 4 hits, 100 cards. Usually a lot of serial number cards. I have opened these up before. Check out my other videos. A lot of people don't like 2013 class. It does have some nice ones, rookies in there. You know, you got Le'Veon Bell, Hopkins, Eifert, a few others. So you do have some good rookies, and then you always have a shot at some vet, at least a vet serial number or a vet hit out of these. So I can't complain too much. All right, 20 packs. Pack 1. Let's check it out. All right, there's the base design, full design, pretty simple back. Doug Martin, Ryan Tannehill. We got a Phil Simms passing the torch with Eli Manning. Insert. We got McFadden and Jason Witten. We got Rosenberg, Gahey, Sidney Rice, Crabtree, and Reggie Wayne. Blackman, White. First rookie card, Mingo, numbered to $8.99. Not a bad rookie card. And Hall, and Adola. We got Eli Manning, AJ Green. Second rookie card, another not bad one, numbered to $7.99. Tyron, Matthews, and Johnson. All right, so far pretty good with the rookies. 2 defensive guys. At least they're still playing. We got Sam Bradford, Ashoy. Ooh, nice Bengals guy here. One of my guys I collect some. Number to 199. Tyler Eifert rookie card, turn of the century. Green. Very nice. Doing pretty good with the rookies. Green and Jennings. We still have all the hits left. We got Jackson, Jacoby Jones. We got a hard hat autograph, Ace Sanders. I remember him, number to 199. Little sticker autograph there. Nice acetate card. Ace Sanders to 199. First hit. We got Steve Johnson and more. I have to look it up. I can't remember if he's still in the league or not. Got Santonio Holmes, Trent Richardson, Antonio Grates, Dez Bryant, and Kaepernick. We got something blue coming up. Schwab, Chris Johnson. Ooh, Tavon Austin rookie card numbered to 89, 86, I think 89. Aspirations, blue die cut. Nice, doing really well. Serial number rookies. Tavon Austin. Andrew Luck and Larry Fitzgerald. So I have 1 hit and 4 serial number cards, rookie cards. We'll get some vet hit or something, be kind of cool. Christian Ponder. Fred Jackson. Oh, Russell Wilson. Prime colored insert. Nice second year card there. Cool. Nice little bonus. Got Jay Cutler and McCoy. We got Matt Flynn, Tony Romo. We got backwards hard hats. Cordell Patterson, number to 299. Nice little die cut. Pretty cool looking acetate cards. Another rookie. Thomas and Wilson. 5 serial number cards, 1 hit. Still looking for 3 other hits. Got Rivers, Cobb. Oh, nice one. Gillespie. Nice playing on the Bills. Autographed to 99, green. Nice sharp looking card there. It is a sticker autograph, but it kind of blends in a little bit. Gillespie. Nice. Vernon Davis and Jones Drew. Decoy again. Kenny Britt, Mike Wallace, C.J. Spiller, Decoy, Matt Ryan, and Jimmy Graham. Got 2 more hits. Got 2 autos already. Powell, Freeman, Ryan Matthews, primary colors. Second one of those. Matt Forte, Antonio Brown. Poe, Flacco, Wilson, Morris. Nice Tom Brady. Peace. Brandon Whedon, Darrell Richardson. 3rd autograph, Connor Vernon for the Raiders, number to 199, green, turn of the century. 3rd auto. Steve Smith and Michael Vick. So I got 1 more hit. Maybe 1 little number rookie. James Jones, Locker. Davis rookie card, number to 899. Marcus Davis, Frank Gore. So it's 3 of those base ones. Brian Hartline, Ray Rice. Got to insert Zoning Commission, Des Bryant. Not a bad looking insert. First one of those. Ballard and Patrick Peterson. Matt Stafford. Oh, we got something purple. Lynch. Marcus Hunt. Number to 99 for my Bengals. Good Bengal box here. I'm sure if he made the team this year or not yet. I have to look that up. Marcus Hunt. Drew Brees and Marshall. Right. We got 2 more packs left. Jamal Charles, Steven Jackson, Knicks, Foster, and their song base pack. Alright, last pack feels a little thicker. Get a nasty pack. Yeah, it is definitely a thicker card. I don't think it's a dummy. Move the back cards forward. Alright, AP. Cam Newton. Green Ellis. Givens. Aaron Rodgers. Oh, it's backwards. I don't want to look. For the Joseph Randall, numbered to 99, dual jersey. No patches, instant impact. Pretty thick card. Thought maybe there would be patches on that one. It's a pretty cool design on that one. Alright, let's do a quick recap. Base rookies, I got 1, 2, 3. I got that 3 numbered rookies, Eifert, Tavon Austin, and Marcus Hunt. And then the 1 more serial numbered base, Cordell Patterson. Inserts, Zoning Commission, 2 of these primary colors, and the 1 Eli and Phil Simms. Of course, you saw the jersey. Dual insert, and hard hats, A. Sanders, and then 2 autos number. Why is this one numbered to 199? This is 99. Looks like the same card. But that's it. A lot of fun. I think $30 or under, definitely worth the price. Get a lot of 4 hits, a lot of serial number cards, a couple good inserts. So definitely a fun break, cheap break. So that's it for this break, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.